These days, manuals are sometimes printed and sometimes not printed for sewing machines. On the Pfaff Creative Icon 2, you did get a printed manual, but how many of us haven't looked at that manual for a bit, or the one little bit of information that we are looking for is actually right at your fingertips. Touch the book with the bookmark popping out of it, and you've got all the information you need right at your fingertips, plus over 100 videos in this machine on how to either do the technique or how to do the item you are searching for. So you will definitely find great information in the techniques and tutorials. But what I want to do is go into the user's guide. Now, as you can see, you've got other things like a stabilizer area, a needle chart where you can have the recommended needle for different fabrics. All the accessories are in here too, but let's go user's guide, because a lot of times, the other day I was doing a video on the basting stitches of this machine, and so I couldn't remember which stitch was the basting stitch, so honestly I just typed in basting stitch, touch search, and it got me to exactly the perfect page of the manual that I needed to look for. So you can type in anything that you need to search for there. You can also search, from A to Z, if you just touch the C area, now we're kind of like in an index, like you might look up in the back of a manual. So you might go, oh yeah, I was looking for how to combine things, or how to connect the embroidery unit. So there's lots of information. You just touch it and it's going to go back to that information. All right, you also have kind of a, let's call them categories. Categories would be like all the things you want to learn about the stitch creator. So this is going to take you into that particular area of the machine with a quick overview for what you're looking for. So you can come in here and then start to go through all the different areas. If we touch here, that should, here, let's just slide that. But you can kind of see that each of these areas has a place. If it's underlined, that means you can touch it and it will take you to where you can see more information about that actual area. You can arrow back and go back one page, or kind of go back and see where you started. You can find just about anything you want right on screen at your fingertips while you're right there sewing or embroidering. So make sure you check out the user's guide. Realize everything is right there.